Okay, it's a short video on our Nissan Qashqai. It's a beautiful spec car, lovely looking alloys, gleaming paintwork, privacy glass on the rear. Got your half leather interior with the red stitching, 6-speed gearbox. Got the big glass panoramic roof that's got the electric pullover as well. Got your cruise control, Bluetooth, CD player, climate. Good spec car. Show you in the back. Again, immaculate in here, very well looked after. Got your parking sensors, silver roof rails. It's keyless entry and keyless start as well. You've also got your headlamp washers. Lovely looking car in black. Okay, let's just show you around a little bit. Lots of other cars in stock, as you can see. All makes, all models, all prices. We're here 7 days a week, up on the Ashby Road in Tamworth. Thanks ever so much for looking. And we'll see you soon. Do take care. Thank you. Bye.